You don't scroll because your phone is too interesting. You scroll because your brain wants the fastest way to escape boredom, uncertainty, or even a few seconds of silence. Most people try to quit scrolling by using more willpower, but the brain rarely accepts an empty space. Remove one habit without replacing it, and it usually goes searching for another source of quick dopamine. That's why this isn't about deleting an app. It's about giving your mind something better to return to. Here are 10 easy hobbies that quietly rebuild your attention instead of stealing it. 1. Reading 10 pages. People fail because they expect instant excitement. Reading feels slow at first because your attention has adapted to constant stimulation. Start with 10 pages a day. The goal isn't speed, it's teaching your brain that focus can feel rewarding. Small chapters create a stronger attention span. 2. Daily walking. The real problem isn't a lack of movement, it's a lack of mental space. Walking without your phone allows scattered thoughts to settle. Many solutions appear only after your mind finally becomes quiet. 3. Journaling. Most overthinking stays powerful because it stays unspoken. Writing turns emotional noise into visible patterns. Once you can see your thoughts, you stop confusing them with reality. 4. Learning one simple recipe. Cooking trains patience. Every small decision keeps your attention in the present instead of chasing the next notification. Discipline grows through ordinary actions. 5. Sketching. You don't need artistic talent. Drawing teaches observation. The brain slows down when it pays attention to details instead of endless information. 6. Stretching for 10 minutes. Stress often feels like a mental problem, but the body stores it too. Gentle movement tells your nervous system that you're safe enough to relax. 7. Solving puzzles. Your brain enjoys solving problems. Give it a meaningful challenge, and random scrolling becomes less attractive because curiosity has found a better target. 8. Gardening or caring for a plant. Growth happens slowly. Watching something improve through consistent care reminds you that your own progress follows the same rule. 9. Learning a musical instrument. Every mistake becomes immediate feedback. Instead of chasing perfect results, you learn to enjoy steady improvement. That's how real confidence develops. 10. Building something with your hands. Whether it's woodworking, model kits, or simple DIY projects, creating something physical replaces passive consumption with visible progress. The brain remembers what it creates far longer than what it scrolls past. Here's what nobody tells you. These hobbies aren't competing with social media. They're rebuilding the parts of your mind that endless scrolling slowly weakens. Attention, patience, curiosity, and self-control. And that's where everything changes. The goal was never to spend less time on your phone. The goal is to become the kind of person who no longer needs to escape every quiet moment. If one of these hobbies stood out to you, comment its number below. And subscribe for more psychology-based videos that help you build a stronger mind, one habit at a time.